Uh, Percy? Yeah? I can't sleep. Oh no, why not? I don't know, I just don't feel sleepy in the daytime. I have an idea. Why don't you take a little drive around Sodor? Sure. How does this feel, Thomas? It feels nice. Do you think this will help you get to sleep? I think so. Alright. Good night, Thomas. Good night, Percy. I think it's gonna work. I still can't sleep. Aww. Now what do we do? I better go find James and ask him for help. So Thomas is having trouble sleeping, and you guys want to sleep so you have enough energy to take that train at 10 p.m. today? It's actually tonight. Oh, okay. I think I have an idea. I'll hypnotize Thomas. Ooh, Thomas. You are getting sleepy. Very sleepy. Sleep, my friend, sleep. I think it worked. Yeah, hypnotizing also works with other engines too. I still can't sleep. What? Come on! That didn't work either? Nope. Let's go get Whiff. He'll be able to help us.
I have a great idea, but I'll need a little help from Neville.
Hey Thomas, I just wanted to tell you about this girl. She was really pretty and I was like, whoa. I wonder if I'll be able to get a date with her. And then she was like, you are so dumb. And I was like, aw, come on, I'm not that bad, it's okay. It worked. I can't sleep. Oh man. Now what do we do? Hey Thomas, why don't you try to count sheep? Or how about engines? Maybe that'll help me too. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 276, 277, 278, 270. You think that did it? I think it did. Oh man, I don't think that worked either. Now what do we do? Hey, why don't we ask Sir Topham Hatt for help? Good idea. Well, one of the best ways to make someone fall asleep is to sing a lullaby to them. Hey, why didn't we think about that before? You have a very great idea, Sir Topham Hatt. Yeah, do you want to try that, Thomas? Sure. Alright, hit it, sir. Oh, Thomas, you must rest to be so happy, to bring the load to anyone who needs it. Oh, rest, Thomas, go ahead and rest. I know it's so hard. It worked. We did it. Yay! Now I gotta get some sleep. Wake up, Thomas. It's time to do the load. Yay! Oh no. I must have been awake too long by helping Thomas get to sleep. Uh-oh. Just try your best, Percy. I'll be right behind you. Okay. Wow, I guess you really had trouble falling asleep. Thomas, I actually hate to break this, but maybe since Percy stayed up too long to help you get asleep, would you mind pulling his train too? Aw, come on. Well, I know it was hard for you to fall asleep, but I know you can do it. Oh, I guess you're right. That's a good engine. Well, at least Percy tried to help me out, so I'd give him a ribbon for that. Yeah, he's been a very good friend to you. Well, I hope I'm not late with this stuff. Yippee! It's a nice day outside the house. Oh wait, I live in a shed. Me too. Yo, what's up, my girl? I just got back from that motorcycle ride. I didn't know you rode motorcycles. Dude, I was born to do that. I'm going over to the sheds. Hello? Anybody yellow? Whoa! Ha! I got you that time, didn't I? Ha ha, very funny. Why don't we say hello to Percy? What is up, man? Yo, I'm good. Me too. Huh? Who the heck are you? Dude, you forgot my name? How could you forget you? Whoa, watch your language. There's kids watching this. But he forgot my name. He should have learned my name, you. Watch out, dude. Oops. Sorry. Hey, wanna wrestle? Okay. Hey, let me join in. Wait, Percy. Look out, everybody. Percy's taking a jump. Geronimo! Ow, my head. Someone help me. Well, this is another lesson for you guys. If you jump from a table, this is what happens to you. So, goodbye. It's April Fool's Day! Yay! And I meant to do that crazy dance. Hey, maybe I should play a prank on Percy. Just the prank. Ah! Percy, the roof of your cab is on fire! Ah! Thomas! Put it out! Use water! Put it out! Put it out! April Fools! Thomas! That wasn't funny! Why would you do that? Oh, thank goodness I found you, Thomas. Do you know which line is the safe line? Oh, yeah, I do. Take the left track. It's the safe line. Thanks, Thomas. Wow! Whoa. April Fools! Thomas, why would you do that? That's what Percy just said. Mike, look, a flying dog. Where? April Fools! Hey! I just saw Thomas. He did 2 other pranks on Emily and Mike, and he also did one on me. Also, I already told you that. The one he did on me. Pretending there was fire on the roof of my cab. And, well, he caused a lot of trouble for us. First, he did my prank. Then he caused Emily to have an accident. Then he tipped Mike over. These were all April Fool's pranks. Not even funny. Here, Percy, I have an idea. Now, we're gonna... you to bring a car to the works. Oh really? What happened to it? Well, actually it broke down. So, can you take it over there? Sure. Okay, listen, Percy. I actually switched some of the controls inside Thomas. So once he gets to the points, he'll start to go really fast, and then he'll be out of control. Now let's go see Emily. All right? And also watch as my prank works. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I can't slow down. Ah! Don't worry, Emily. I'll get you out of the way. Thanks. Ah! Look out! Hurry, Percy, before Thomas crashes into Emily. Look out! Ah! April Fools! Oh, great, this was just another stupid prank. Now get me back on the rails! Jeez, calm down, Thomas. It was only a prank. But also to teach you for what you did to us. Yeah, don't worry. We'll get you back on track soon, Thomas. Emily, you're late. Yeah, it's just a prank, isn't it? No, really, I mean it. It's past 3 o'clock already. Uh-oh. Okay, Arthur. You're gonna come in once the camera starts recording. And first, you're gonna say, "Yippee! It's a nice day outside the house." Oh wait, I live in the shed. Alright, I got it. Alright, let me just get the camera in the right position.